In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Google Slides presentation. When you're working in Google Slides, one of the best things is that your work is saved automatically in the cloud. Every few seconds, Google Slides updates and saves your changes for you, so you don't usually have to worry about losing your progress if your browser closes or your computer restarts. You will often see a small message near the top of the screen that says something like, "All changes saved in Drive," which is your confirmation that everything is safely stored in your Google Drive account. However, there are times when you might want more control over how your presentation is saved, or you may need a copy in a different format. For example, you might need to send a presentation to someone who doesn't use Google Slides, upload it to a learning platform, or keep an offline backup on a USB drive or your computer. In these situations, you'll want to create a manual copy or download your presentation. To start, make sure your Google Slides presentation is open in your browser. At the top left of the screen, you'll see the main menu bar. Click on the File menu. This is where all of your saving, downloading, and version options live. From here, you can choose to make a copy. This creates a duplicate of your current presentation in your Google Drive. It's useful if you want to create a new version without changing the original, or if you're building a template you plan to reuse. When you select this option, you'll be able to rename the copy and choose which folder in your drive to save it in. You can also download your presentation to your computer. In the File menu, look for Download. When you hover over it, you'll see several formats you can choose from. The most common one is Microsoft PowerPoint format, which lets you open the file in PowerPoint or share it with people who prefer that program. You can also choose to download as a PDF, which is great for sharing a read-only version that won't be edited, or select image formats if you need individual slides as images. Once you choose a format, your browser will begin downloading the file, usually to your default Downloads folder. From there, you can move it, rename it, or share it, just like any other file on your computer.